satisfied, he can appeal to the superior courts. For us, we don't see anything.
Museveni, the President of the Republic of Uganda, has slightly agreed to the ruling by the Chief Justice by saying there were errors in the establishment of the military court martials. And he said those errors are going to be corrected. Specifically, he interpreted it as these errors are coming from the fact that the decisions are not appealable, that it cannot be appealed. He said the decisions by military court should always be appealed in a higher court. They should be a subordinate under another court. You have a glance at what the president said.
Why would anybody say to be tried in a military court is wrong? So that's why the CJ ruled where he said no, it can be done, but the court itself, the military court, should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to have fair. He went back to the constitution, and we are very happy with that. This was correct. We didn't know those gaps. Me, I didn't know. I thought there were no gaps. I didn't even know that somebody had removed the appeal had changed the military court from being a subordinate court to being a parallel court. Because apparently somebody had made amendments saying that their decision was not appealable. That's not correct. Let it be initial center of handling the matter because of efficiency and focus, because they are focused. They are focusing on the discipline of the army, but also on the misuse of guns and weapons normally belonging to the army. So they are a bit focused. Why don't you allow them to focus? And then if somebody is not satisfied, he can appeal to the superior courts. For us, we don't see anything.
Well, still on the issue of Dr. Kizza Besigye, Father Anthony Musaala has prayed for Kizza Besigye to be released from the prison. Kizza Besigye is still being held, and many say the team of lawyers who are representing Kizza Besigye have misinterpreted the ruling by Supreme Court, that the Supreme Court directed that these cases be transferred to a civil court, not that Kizza Besigye should be released. Among those people include Malema Birzi, which we have been posting here, who advised that bail is the only option that can help Kizza Besigye. And now, Father Anthony is talking to Museveni about Kizza Besigye's release.
But we also want to pray for justice in our country. We want to pray for the release of Dr. Besigye and other political prisoners who are being held unjustly. We want to pray for the president of this country and all those in authority, that they may have compassion and mercy on the people of Uganda and rule us with justice and fairness.